guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another makeup and skincare haul. So I did this recently and I shared a huge amount of things that I had been purchasing over Christmas and things like that. So today is a smaller haul, but there's actually some things in here that I forgot to mention over Christmas that I forgot I even had. But it's mostly skincare today, and we do have a few makeup items as well. But yeah, let's just get started. So I'm going to start with skincare. So the first thing I have is this Boots Biodegradable Cucumber Cleansing Wipes. I use these all the time. I mainly use these for taking off lipsticks. Because they're not as good as like Simple face wipes or Nivea face wipes, but because they're really affordable, I keep repurchasing them just to take off my lip swatches and things like that. And they smell amazing as well, and yeah, they're just really good, so I love these. These are around about £2 from Boots. Then I picked up about 4 of these Simple Biodegradable Cleansing Wipes. I love the Simple wipes. My favourite ones are the Water Boost ones because they're the best at taking off makeup, but I wanted to try the biodegradable ones. So I haven't tried them yet. All the packaging is fully recyclable and the wipes are fully biodegradable as well. So then I also picked up these. Now I've used these in the past and I love them. These are the Simple Eye Makeup Remover Pads, and they specifically remove waterproof makeup and waterproof mascara. So if I have a particularly heavy eye makeup look, lots of eyeshadow, lots of waterproof mascara, it's hard to get them off with a normal face wipe or with my face halo. So I tend to use these because they are really good at getting off thick, heavy, waterproof eye makeup. I think how many's in a pack? There's 30 in a pack as well. I use one for each eye, and yeah, I just really love these. These are really good. I think they're around about £3 or £4 as well. Then I picked up this. Now this is my favourite hand cream at the moment. This is the Garnier Hand Repair Intensive Restoring Hand Cream. It's anti-dryness. To me, this is the best hand cream at the moment for super dry hands. I have really dry hands because I wash my hands all the time. They are so dry, and this one is a really good hand cream for just repairing that dryness on your hands. And I think this is around about £4.99 as well, so it's not an expensive hand cream at all, but it is so good. Next up, I picked up this Garnier Skin Active Ultra Lift Complete Beauty Night Cream. So I haven't actually tried this out yet, but it's supposed to be anti-wrinkle, firming and radiance boosting. It says it fights wrinkles, it firms and it evens complexion overnight. It has regenerative plant cell extracts. So this is a night cream. I have the day version of this, which I absolutely love. It smells amazing. I use it all the time. It has SPF, but this is the night version, so I've never tried the night version before, so I'm very excited to try this out. I cannot remember how much it was, but it'll definitely be worth it. Right, next up I have this L'Oreal Revitalift Fast Acting Hydrating Smoothing Serum. So this is anti-wrinkle and extra firming. It has advanced pro retinol, fibroelastil and adenosine. No idea what any of those are, but basically it's anti-wrinkle and it's firming. I have been using this for about a month now and I'm obsessed with it. It is so moisturising, so hydrating on your skin, and it does a great job of firming up your skin as well. Funnily, on the packaging it actually says age 40 plus. But funnily enough, I've been using anti-wrinkle eye creams and anti-wrinkle face creams since I was about 13, 14. So I've just been obsessed with anti-wrinkle and firming products. So even though it says age 40 plus, don't worry about it, just buy it if you need it. Basically it says in 1 hour your skin looks smoother, it's fighting wrinkles, in 7 days your skin feels suppler, firmer and the complexion looks more even, and in 4 weeks it says wrinkles appear reduced by 13% on your forehead, 18% on your nasolabial fold. The heck is that? What is a nasolabial fold? No idea. By that is minus 18%. And crow's feet wrinkles by 12%. What the heck are crow's feet wrinkles? I don't know any of these, but I'm assuming crow's feet wrinkles are your eyes? Who knows? But it's reducing the wrinkles by a great amount, so I'm just going to go with it. And it also says your skin looks younger. And that's based on a study of 94 people, so there we go. But yeah, these are pricey. These are around about like £15, but oh my gosh, it's so worth it. Then I also picked up this L'Oreal Revitalift Night Cream. So this is the Anti-Wrinkle and Extra Firming Night Cream. So pretty much the same as the other one, but in a night cream. It's advanced pro retinol, fiber elastase. So it has anti-wrinkle ingredients. It helps to smooth the skin surface. It has a firming complex to reinforce the skin's elasticity. Fine lines appear reduced. Skin is more radiant and smoother. Skin feels firmer and toned and hydrated. Blah blah blah. So really good again. These are around about £15 as well. But honestly now, I can guarantee you that I've been using this for 4 weeks as well, and it is incredible. These L'Oreal products are so good. The Revitalift products are amazing. Trust me, they are worth the price. I have one more thing of the L'Oreal Revitalift as well. This is the eye cream. So this is the L'Oreal Revitalift Hydrating Eye Cream, Anti-Wrinkle and Extra Firming. It also has advanced pro retinol and fiber elastase for deep action. So it says your eye contour is hydrated and toned, the skin is smoother, the fine lines are less visible, skin is more radiant, wrinkles appear reduced, and your skin feels firmer. So yeah, incredible stuff. This is also around about £15 as well, but trust me, it is worth it. I actually luckily got the 3 of these in Wilko for like a it was like a reduced price. I think it was down from 15 to like 12. So keep an eye out for deals like that, because these are really, really worth it, I promise you. Right, next up I have a load of face masks. So I have a bundle of simple face masks. So I think on Boots, I think there was a face mask bundle by Simple. So it came with 4 sheet masks and 1 eye mask. So the eye mask is this one. It's the Illuminating Under Eye Hydrogel Eye Mask. Protect and glow. It reduces the appearance of dark circles in 5 minutes. Then the sheet masks are, this one is the de-stress sheet mask. It helps reduce the appearance of stressed skin. Oh my gosh, I need that. Then the next one is the 48-hour glow sheet mask, which brightens and revitalizes. Then the next one is the rich moisture sheet mask. 1 sheet mask equals 16 days of moisturizer. And then the final one is the Ultra Calming Sheet Mask with organic cannabis sativa hemp seed oil. Not sure if I'm going to use that one, but we'll see. And they're all biodegradable as well, which is really, really good. And I think that set of 5 masks was around about £10 as well, so really, really affordable. Then next up I have some Nivea face masks. So I have this one. This is the Q10 Energy Instant Recharge Sheet Mask, which has 3 instant effects. It looks like a vitamin C. Yeah, it's an antioxidant, vitamin C and skin identical Q10 sheet mask. Very excited to try that out. And then the next one is the Nivea Q10 Power Anti-Wrinkle and Firming 10-minute sheet mask as well. So yeah, I'm excited to try those 2 out as well. And then the final face mask, sheet mask, was this. Now I actually bought this in the January sales, but I put it in my cupboard and I completely forgot about it. That's why I didn't mention it in my last haul video. So this is the Champneys Health Spa Mask Collection. So it says it pampers your complexion and revitalizes your skin with 7 of our masks for your face, neck and body. So there's 7 different masks in here. So we have a moisturizing face mask, a revitalizing face mask, a cooling gel eye mask, a full body mask kit for your neck, softening hand mask gloves, full body mask kit for your legs, and a full body mask kit for your arms. So basically an arm mask, a leg mask, hand mask, a neck mask, eye mask, and 2 different face masks. So yeah, this said it was £15, but I had it for half price. So obviously £7.50. So yeah, I'm very excited to try out these as well. Okay, moving on to makeup. So I picked up this is the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in the shade Translucent. Now I used to use this years ago, but I just ran out and never repurchased, but I really did like this powder. So yeah, it's really good and it's only £3. And I picked up the Rimmel Match Perfection Silky Loose Face Powder in Transparent as well. Now I also used to love this powder, but I just ran out and never repurchased. But this is also a really good loose face powder. Then I picked up this Wet n Wild Impossible Primer. the one silicone free primer that does it all. Now I've never tried this before, but I love the matte primer by Wet n Wild, so I'm hoping that I'm going to love this primer as well. And then the final thing is a lipstick. So this is the Maybelline Colorsensational lipstick in the shade 300 Striped Rose. So it's just a reddish, pinkish, creamy lipstick. So yeah, so that completes everything from this makeup and skincare haul. I know it was mostly skincare, and the majority of the things were from Boots or Amazon. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!